Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Akshit Katiyar. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father's name is Mr. Pankaj Katiyar. He is a farmer. I did my 12th in 2017 and now I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. My hobbies are reading books and newspaper and also playing cricket. I wanna join Indian Air Force as an airman, so I am present here for group discussion. Today's topic is joint family versus nuclear family. As we know, family is the most essential part of our life. There are two types of families, as we know, joint family and nuclear family. Joint family has grandfather, grandmother, uncle, auntie and children also, but in nuclear family parents are there and his children. There are many problems and benefit of joint family and nuclear family. As we know, joint family has many excitement time in festival time, but in nuclear family you can survive too much excitement, and in nuclear family you can also save too much money comparison of joint family. In joint family children can get support of our grandparents, but in independent family they are also alone in home when parents are going to outside and also for job. Joint family has many types of its benefit, and nuclear family has also its many types, but we have to its own preference that what we like. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my GT friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramcharan Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP Board from Maharashtra Deepen Inter College, Umri, Kanpur Nagar. Recently, I have completed my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading newspaper. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so we are present here for the group discussion. As we know that today's topic is joint family versus nuclear family. First, we should know about the joint family. Joint family is the family in which grandfather, grandparents, and uncle, aunt, and children also live together in a home. And a nuclear family is a family in which parents lives with their children. There are many kinds of advantage and disadvantage of joint and nuclear family. In joint family, we can see that. A person works and many other person depend upon one person. They did not work. It increases unemployment. It increases due to joint family. But we can see in nuclear family, a person works, but in his family less people are there, so he can survive easily. And in joint family we can see they live in the festival. With happiness, and we can see that there is a great.
Next. Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Suyas Saw. I am 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village, Damatpur district, Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teaches us square deal manner. I am positive and hard worker. I am good learner and listener. To become the part of defense is my dream. My hobbies are reading historical knowledgeable books which give me new knowledge. I like to play outdoor games like cricket and football. Friends, the topic given to us today is a joint family versus nuclear family. Family is the part and parcel for the human being, and it's has taken great part of every person's life. First, we know what is a joint family. In the joint family, there lived grandparents, parents, and their children, all members of the family. But in the nuclear family, there live parents and their children. In the joint family, takes its benefit that in the joint family there is every person and any person. If you are went out of the home as work, but there in a family there is some person who take care of their children, and which is good, and it is a good for the future of the boys. And in the joint family they are just burden, because in the joint family their member there are lots of members who earn lots of money, which is a good for their future, and they make progress. But in the
Good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Aryan Sushan. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my intermediate from UP Board, Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. I easily adjust with all kind of environment. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society, and is no reservation and no discriminative based on color, caste, religion, and selection purely on merit basis. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We are gathered here for the good discussion. So I come to the topic nuclear family versus joint family. In my opinion, family is the most important thing in our daily life. Without family, we are nothing. And we all know that there are two types of family: joint family versus nuclear family. First of all, we have to understand joint family. Joint family means many people are living in a home as grandfather, grandmother, and parents with their children. And you live in a joint family. You are not pay many bills, house bills, water bills, and electric bills because men of the family paying their bills. And in present time many persons leave their family because the reason of privacy. So we can say that nuclear family is the family of parents and the children. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Ankesh Sajan and I am 19 years old. I was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, from where I have done my graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is a tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially cricket and badminton. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction, and also I want to improve the financial condition of my family. Now I would like to come to my topic, that is about joint family and nuclear family. Family makes a very important role in our daily life. If you have a good family, your life can be good and your life can go good and very happy. Joint family is basically a family in which there are more than 3 generation people, like our grandparents, our uncle, aunties, and our also parents. And nuclear family is there were only our parents and their children. Joint family, in a family, if we talk about joint family, in a joint family we can celebrate festival in happiness. But if we talk about nuclear family, there's something little bit missing in nuclear family that we can do in joint family. And if we talk about nuclear family also has many advantages, like the privacy of the family, and in joint family there's a little bit comparison of.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sami Singer. I am from Kanpur. I have completed my graduation this year from Kanpur University. My father is a farmer and my hobby is playing cricket and reading holy books. I want to join Indian Air Force because we get a chance to serve our nation at early age and improve the economic condition of our family. And Air Force also provides us adventurous and smart life. Now I would like to come to my topic. Topic is the nuclear family versus joint family. So family is the first preference of our life, and joint family means when much people live in a roof, below in a roof with together, and nuclear family less people live together. It means joint family. Due to joint family, we can learn many rights due to our grandparents, and it is also necessary for our security. And
good afternoon, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, I am Balram Dubey. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for leather industry. Now I tell about my education. I have done my basic first standard from Kanpur University. Now I am pursuing for Indian Air Force. Now I tell about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are 4 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and Raja League in the morning. The positive in my personality are that I am good learner, diligent and smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream and to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. Today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is nuclear family and joint family. The family is considered the most important part of any individual. There are 2 types of family. First, nuclear family and joint family. Joint family is a family in which their grandfather, parents and their children are living, and nuclear family is that in which parents and their kids are living. And if I talk about joint family, the pros of joint family, there is a unity in the all members in joint family, and there is youngster got the experience of their elders, and when we are living in joint family, we got the leisure time, especially for women, because they divided their housework with each other, and when we are living in joint family and anybody are not able to earn money, then other people of that family can share his money, and as a proverb, united we stand and divided we fall goes true in the joint family. If we talk about nuclear family, there is a